Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to enable and use Circle to Search feature on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the Settings app at the very beginning. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen, open the upper menu, and here choose Settings app. Then move a little bit down and choose Gestures chapter. Now, in the on-screen gestures section, pick System Navigation part. Alright, and here we go. You can see Circle to Search feature. Simply switch this toggle to activate the function. So now, to use it, you should touch and hold the circle icon on your navigation bar at the very bottom. Let's try. Okay, so to choose something to search, you can draw around this thing a circle, like here, and we can see that Gemini helped us and found something on internet in Google. We can read an overview about it or check some visual matches, etc. Also, you can simply tap on the thing that you want to search, like this. So, works perfectly, nice feature. Also, if you have gesture navigation on your device, simply touch and hold this line at the very bottom, and works the same. So, nice feature, try it. If this video was helpful, like this video, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.